I did my check-in. What next? You have to go through security. Watch this video and learn everything you need to know about how to go through security in English at the airport. Hey friends, Teacher Prix here to help you talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime in English. Thanks for joining me on another video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And if it's your first time here, I hope you enjoyed this lesson and this channel. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Now, what do you need to know about going through security? It is simple and it can be fast. But the first thing you need to know about going through security is that this starts way before you go to the airport. Going through security starts with planning your carry-on luggage. Do you remember what a carry-on luggage is? It's that small piece of bag that you can bring with you inside on the airplane. So it's important to check the items that are not permitted in the carry-on luggage, that you cannot bring inside the carry-on luggage with you. If your carry-on luggage is too big, you will not be able to bring it with you on the plane. And finally, liquids, gel and liquids. There are specific rules for that, so make sure that you check before you pack your carry-on luggage. Another thing that is important, your clothes. Everything you wear matters. Too many accessories, belts, watches, earrings, a lot of stuff may set off the detector, the metal detector. So less is more. Good, this is just to get started. When you start going through security, it's important to have your boarding pass with you. Do you remember what a boarding pass is? This is an example of a boarding pass. Basically, this is a piece of paper that you receive after you check in. If you want to learn more about check-in, I have a video about that here on my channel. Check it out. When you start going through security, there may be some officers giving you instructions of what to do. In this situation, as you are waiting in line, they may look at you and say, please take off your shoes and belt. At this moment, guys, there's not much interaction between you and the staff at the security. You don't need to say much. Just pay attention and listen carefully, okay? So take off your shoes and belt, remove your shoes and belt. Priscilla, where do I put them? In a tray. There will be a tray, as you can see here on the screen. That's where you have to put all your belongings, all your things, your accessories, belts, wallet, shoes, okay? If you have keys in your pocket, if you have coins in your pocket, put everything in that tray before you go through the metal detector. One important thing is, if you have any electronic device inside your carry-on luggage, it's important to open your luggage, remove the electronic device, and put it in another tray, okay? Laptops or big cameras, just put everything in a tray. Make sure that you organize your luggage in a way that it's easy to remove those items, okay? I have had some problems with organization. So Priscilla, I put everything in the tray. Shoes, belt, wallet, my laptop, what next? Now you will have to put all these trays, all your trays and your carry-on luggage on a conveyor belt. As you can see here on the screen, this is where your items and your carry-on luggage will go on before they go through the X-ray machine, okay? So this conveyor belt will keep moving and it'll lead your belongings and your carry-on luggage through the X-ray machine. While that happens, it's time to go through the metal detector. Now that you're without the accessories, belt, maybe watches, shoes, you can go through metal detector safely and quickly. If the detector goes off, if it beeps, okay, the officer may ask you some questions, okay? You will have to get out of the metal detector and then they will ask you some questions. don't panic, okay? The questions will be very simple. They will ask to pet you, okay? Before they start petting you, they need to ask for your permission, or they need to tell you, oh, sir, stretch your arms, please. Raise your arms, okay? And then the person will check if there is anything that could have set off the alarm. Common questions. Sir, ma'am, are you wearing any jewelry? Stretch your arms, please. This is a command and instruction. Stretch, raise your arms, please. In this case, they may use a different kind of scanner. You went through the metal detector, but when they start patting you, they may use a wand scanner, okay? It's one that it's portable. They can hold it in their hands, and they can use it to scan to see if there's anything on you that could have set off the alarm, okay? But other than that, they may not ask you many other questions. It's a very quick and simple process. Today, the machines are becoming more and more modern and smarter, but maybe you have had a surgery and you have pins in your body, or maybe you have a metal plate in your body. So teacher, what happens if the alarm sets off and I know that happens because of these things inside my body? You can inform them, but basically when they use the wand scanner, they will know that probably you have a pin in your body or something that could have set off the alarm, okay? Now, as your carry-on luggage goes through security, if they see something suspicious or if there are way too many liquids inside your luggage, they may ask you to open your luggage, okay? They may ask you to open your carry-on luggage so that they can see what's inside more clearly. This usually happens if you are carrying sharp objects, maybe a pair of scissors. Well, that's not usually something people bring, but hey, what if you accidentally dropped a pair of scissors inside your luggage? I find that hard to believe, but it could happen. Or maybe you have something that looks like it's sharp, or maybe you have way too many liquids. So they may ask you to open your luggage so that they can take a better look at it, okay? Relax, don't worry, this is normal procedure. This has happened to me many times. I had to open my luggage, my carry-on luggage at many different airports. It's annoying, but it happens, okay? After they finish checking your bag, because they asked you to open it, they will look through it. When they finish, they will look at you. You are all set. Off you go. You can go. After that, my friend, you are ready. Keep calm and go to your gate because it'll soon be time to board. As you can see, there are not many questions. This is not a moment to have a long conversation. This is a quick moment. This is a moment that passes by really quickly. You need to be fast. Take off your shoes, take off your belt, put it in the tray, put it on the conveyor belt, let it go through the X-ray machine. Then it's your turn. You go through the metal detector. If it beeps, don't worry. Get out of the detector. Let them pat you. They may ask you questions or not. They are usually yes or no questions. Are you wearing any jewelry? Okay, can I pet you? And basically that. Stretch your arms, sir. But that's basically a very quick conversation, okay? You don't need a lot of English. You need to pay attention to the instructions. If you watched this video until now and you would like to see more videos about travel English, write the hashtag Travel English in the comments and I will prepare more videos for you about travel vocabulary and conversations. Thank you so much, friends, and I'll see you next time.